All right, team, welcome back to TNT Digital Mindset. Today, I'm really excited to dive into some cutting-edge stuff. I've been poring over the latest research on digital trends, and honestly, it's fascinating. I've even leveraged some advanced AI, yeah, you heard that right, to break down the core insights. This way, we can get straight to the actionable strategy. So without further ado, let's jump in.
Welcome back to TNT Digital Mindset. We've analyzed the latest data on building profitable AI businesses to help you sharpen your strategic thinking. Okay, let's just dive right in, because things in the AI world are moving at lightning speed, and honestly, there's a massive opportunity right now, but only if you know exactly where to look.
And that quote right there, that's the whole game. Seriously, forget about just learning cool prompts and little party tricks. The real, long-term money is in solving expensive problems for businesses that are, frankly, completely overwhelmed by all this tech. You become the translator, the bridge, the person with the solution.
So, let's talk about the big mistake that we see pretty much everyone making right now. It's like a classic gold rush, you know? People are so busy digging for gold with their tiny little pans, which in this case is just learning simple prompts, that they're totally missing where the real money is, selling the shovels, the maps, and the guide services.
And what's so telling about this slide is the huge difference in what people are doing. I mean, look at the left side. It's all passive stuff. Watching, learning, perfecting things in a vacuum. But on the right, it's all about action. Building, closing deals, signing clients. The 1%, they aren't just learning about AI. They're out there deploying it for other people and getting paid for the results.
And that's really the bottom line, isn't it? It's this massive shift in how you see yourself. Are you just consuming AI tools, or are you using AI to actually build real solutions? Because one is a hobby, and the other is a very valuable business.
Which brings us to this next big idea, something we call the bridge mindset. And you have to get this, because this one strategic shift, it unlocks the entire opportunity we're talking about.
And there it is. This is the whole concept. You see, you don't need a PhD in machine learning. Not at all. You just need to understand a business's real pain point and know which AI tool can make that pain go away. You are the connection. You're the vital link between a very expensive problem and a brand new, powerful piece of technology.
This is a perfect example. I mean, think about it. The dentist knows he has a problem. His website is ancient, it's not getting him any customers. He thinks the only solution is to pay some agency thousands and thousands of dollars and wait for weeks. He has absolutely no idea that an AI solution exists that's way faster and way cheaper. You, being the bridge, you connect his problem to that new solution.
Okay, so with that bridge mindset locked in, let's get to the really good stuff. We've identified 4 proven business models that are making serious money as we speak. You know, here at TNT Digital Mindset, we focus on what's actually working in the real world. And these 4 models, well, these are the blueprints you need to be paying attention to.
All right, let's kick it off with number 1. This one taps directly into the huge creator economy that's exploding right now. We call this one the digital twin empire. And yeah, it sounds super futuristic, I get it, but its application is incredibly practical, and believe me, it's in very high demand today.
So what's the problem here? Well, it's universal. Every business owner knows they need to be making video content, but so many of them are either too busy or they're just plain camera shy. The solution is just mind-blowing. With tools like HeyGen, you can create a photorealistic digital twin of them. And that real estate agent example is so important. The woman who did this didn't try to sell the technology. She just demonstrated the result, and a client came right to her. That's the power of this model.
Okay, moving on to number 2. And this is what a lot of people in the know consider to be the absolute top-tier opportunity in this entire space. The AI automation agency. This is all about becoming an absolutely essential partner to businesses by saving them the 2 things they value most, their time and their money.
And the crazy thing is, you don't need some super complex diagnostic toolkit. You just need to ask these 3 questions. These questions are your key to unlocking a business's biggest, most expensive frustrations. When a business owner tells you they waste 10 hours a week just manually scheduling appointments, boom, you just found your project. You're not selling them AI, you're selling them back 10 hours of their life every single week.
All right, model number 3. This one's for anyone who really wants to build something that's truly disruptive.
We call this the digital Frankenstein solution, and for good reason. You're basically stitching together different powerful pieces to create one single, elegant system that completely kills off a dozen clunky, expensive software subscriptions.
I mean, think about it for a second. So many businesses are stuck in this software nightmare. They're paying for 10, maybe 12 different tools that don't even talk to each other. It's a mess. But now, with AI coding assistance, you can build a custom platform that does everything they need in a fraction of the time it used to take. So, they save a fortune every month on fees, and you get paid a big one-time project fee. It's a huge win-win for everyone.
And finally, our fourth model. This one focuses on maybe the most timeless piece of business technology there is. The Voice AI Architect. Yep, we're talking about the telephone. Every single business has a phone, right? And I guarantee you, almost every single one of them is losing money through that phone every single day.
Just look at these numbers. This isn't pocket change we're talking about. This is tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost revenue every year just from missed calls. So what's your solution? An AI receptionist. One that works 24/7, filters out all the spam calls, schedules appointments, and never, ever misses a lead. The return on their investment is instant, and it's massive.
So we've covered the what's. Now in this last part, let's really get into the how. This is a practical, no-fluff, step-by-step blueprint to take you from zero to a functioning AI business. This is the TNT Digital Mindset approach in action, a structured, realistic plan. Now pay close attention to that apply phase. That is absolutely crucial. Working for free for a short time isn't about charity. It's about getting your own real-world MBA in problem solving. You build proof that you can do it, you build your confidence, and you build amazing case studies. Then and only then do you start charging based on the incredible value you can now prove you deliver.
So here's where we're at. You have the blueprints. The demand from businesses is undeniable. It is absolutely there. And the window of opportunity? It's wide open right now, but trust me, it is closing. So the choice is yours. Are you going to stay a consumer just watching all this happen from the sidelines? Or are you going to step up and become a builder?
If you want to master the digital economy, make sure to subscribe to TNT Digital Mindset. Thanks for listening.